So if it's your first time on your YouTube channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notified when we post anything and to stay tuned. Yeah, bye guys. So guys, welcome to my channel and welcome. We are back in a new video. In this video we're gonna show you, as you know, MI gave a update of 9.5 which is very bad, and in this 9.5 you can't apply any third party using your themes which is officially given by MI or Xiomi phones. So you could see that we can't apply a third party theme by this. So I will also try it by MI theme editor, which is very famous for setting themes on any MI phone, but it doesn't work on 9.5 for real. I will show you now. So now we open MI theme editor and browse our downloads. You could set any theme. I'm just choosing iPhone X theme. So after we apply, we need to install it. So after installing, you could see we are installing it and it has installed already. So after it has installed, we will go to themes app and try to set the theme, of course. So we apply, click on apply. You could see that we are getting the same error, say again and again. So it's very hard to set the theme in MI 9.5. So what we are going to do is, you need to have this app Zeta Keeper. I will give you a link in description. Download the MI Day pack. I will give you a link of this also too in drive link. So after you install this app, after you install this app, just open it. After you've opened, you will just click on that side. You have one arrow, so after clicking on that, just choose your file from Zeta Keeper. After you have Zeta Keeper, then choose your file. I'm just choosing iPhone X MTZ. Then option will come. If you have it, click on I don't give a fuck, then apply the file. It will take few seconds to apply, and you could see the file theme, sorry, the theme is applied. And wait, I'll just boot again. So you could see, wait, our theme is applied. iPhone X theme is applied to our MI 9.5 phone, which is impossible, but it's possible. Anything is possible. So if you like this video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends so that they can also fix their MI 9.5 themes. So you could see everything is like iPhone. You got the icons like iPhone, you got the dialer theme like iPhone, you got the every app icon